Welcome to the fire station's emergency response center. I'm Firefighter Kiki. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the building is on fire! Firefighter, please come and put out the fire! The water gun can douse the fire. Firefighter Kiki sets off! There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. All fires have been successfully extinguished. It is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to call the fire department if there is a fire. The fire brigade will come to the rescue immediately. Firefighting is complete. Time to equip the magical item. Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose to connect the... Turn the hose to tighten it. Let's connect the pipes together. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. There is an emergency call for help! Help! Some people fell in the water! Putting life buoys on the persons in water can help them float in water. Firefighter Kiki is on the way! Tap the person in the water and throw a life buoy. Rescue mission completed! Slide the red button to lift the barrier. emergency call for help! What shall we do? Firefighter Kiki, the baby foxes climbed up the tree for fun and now they can't get down. Please come and save them! The ladder can be raised for rescue. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. The baby foxes were successfully found. Perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up high. Look, the pool is short of water, and the wooden bridge cannot be crossed. Let's fill the pool with water. Drag the hose to fill the pool with water. Fantastic! The wooden bridge has floated up and it can be crossed. There is an emergency call for help! Oh no, the supermarket is on fire and many people are trapped in the supermarket! Firefighter Kiki, please come to the rescue! It's urgent! Come on, Kiki! The fire extinguisher can put out the fire. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go! There are 4 trapped people in the supermarket. Let's start looking for them. There is an obstacle. Get it clear. Fire axe can split all blocking boxes. The trapped person is in danger. Help him quickly. Thank you. The gas mask has strong protection. It can help isolate smoke and toxic gases. There is an obstacle. Get it cleared. Emergency shovel can shovel away all obstacles. The trapped person is in danger. Help him quickly. Thank you. There is an obstacle. Get it cleared. Choose protective tools for the trapped people. Thank you. There's a fire. Put it out. Fire extinguisher can put out all fires. The trapped person is in danger. Help him quickly.
Oh!
Thank you. Rescue all trapped people. Yeah, this is a perfect rescue. Kids, don't panic if there is a fire indoors. Waiting for firefighters to rescue. What a busy day! You're the greatest firefighter! Bye!